We'll be right back after these short messages.
A widespread epidemic of unsolved and unbalanced chemical equations is sweeping the nation.
It can't be balanced. Wish this could be easier.
Now, with Claire-King equations, you can write and balance equations with record speed.
Solved.
Taking Claire-King equations may lead to loss of clear speech or actions including, but not limited to, flirting, sleeping, reading, and defecating. Some patients have experienced defenestrating thoughts or actions. If experienced, please stop immediately and get help. This should not be the first treatment for writing chemical equations. Try getting a tutor first. Action.
Attention, all chemistry users. Have you or a loved one gone through a chemistry course? You may be at risk of serious consequences. The company Science has been knowingly not fully describing why objects float. It is not because they are lighter than what they're floating on. It is because they are less dense than what they are floating on. This misunderstanding has caused students terrible grades and great misunderstandings in chemistry. Objects float because they are less dense than what they are floating on. An oak duck floats because it is less dense than the water it is floating on. An obsidian stone sinks because it has more density than the water you may drop it into. Please follow our instructions and call this number 13597AB B flat 37 sousaphone 9A 1,000,000 ZA zebra balloon to get compensation. First, when finding if something floats or sinks. First, you must find the density using the equation density equals mass divided by volume. Then, compare the densities. The thing with the higher density will sink. The thing with the lower density will float. Thank you.
Are you sick and tired of being sick and tired? That is, of doing all those annoying mole-unit problems in chemistry. Disclaimer, can I actually help you being sick and tired? Please seek medical attention. Then let those problems fade away like the average nightmare with a patent-pending mole. In no time, you'll be doing problems faster than you could say Avogadro, but times it'll make your teacher's degree look useless in contrast to your raw speed. Disclaimer, may cause cranial explosions if used for prolonged periods, not to mention large doses of radiation. Once you buy it, all your friends, family, and significant others will be saying, holy moly! Holy moly! No!
Well, here at Sal's Auto Shop, we have all the cars. We got this one, this one's big, this is small, that one doesn't even work. We got everything here.
Are you tired of measuring each ingredient to cook and bake, especially when making large quantities? Well, now you don't have to. Introducing our new Stokes Gill. This invention allows you to measure each ingredient one at a time by placing them on the scale. And then it tells you the limiting reactant and how much you can make with the ingredients that you have. It does this with our Luvan chip inside it. Then it follows a series of steps on Luvan's Stoic map to calculate the measurements. It starts off with the measurement most relative to your ingredient, such as being in grams, molecules, liters, or moles. After, it goes through the steps and then calculates the measurements. Get yours at your local Area 51.
Welcome back to Chemistry Trivia. Today we're walking the streets of beautiful San Dimas, California, looking for random people to answer random chemistry questions. Look, someone. Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Do you know what a mole is?
Yeah, it's a type of animal that digs in the ground.
No, not the animal, the chemistry.
No clue.
Oh, okay. Well, a mole is a universal unit that contains the same amount of atoms as 12 grams of carbon-12. Remember that next time.
Good to know.
Hey! What's the
Whoa.
molar mass of copper?
63.546 grams.
Okay. What is the molar mass of 1 mole of pennies?
That is approximately 1.87 times 10 to the 24th gram. I missed the game.
Okay, thanks, bye. Hey! What's your grade in chemistry?
You tell me.
E for effort? Woo! Hey, sir. So I know we talked to you earlier, but do you know Avogadro's number?
I think it's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd power.
Very good.
Thank you.
We'll be right back after a few more commercial messages.